After 50, your bones start to lose strength, silently and steadily. But there's one powerful vitamin that can help stop this from happening. No, it's not just calcium. In this video, you'll learn the number one vitamin your bones need to stay strong, plus how to get enough of it every day. As we age, our bones naturally lose density. Women, especially after menopause, are at higher risk of osteoporosis. But even men experience gradual bone loss. The result? A higher chance of fractures, poor posture, and weakness. And without the right nutrients, this happens even faster. Most people think calcium is the key. But without vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium properly. Vitamin D acts like a gatekeeper, helping calcium move from your food into your bloodstream and into your bones. That's why vitamin D is the number one vitamin for bone strength after 50. You can get vitamin D in three main ways. 1. Sunlight, 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure, a few times per week. 2. Foods, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk. 3. Supplements, especially helpful if you live in colder regions or stay indoors a lot. After 50, doctors often recommend at least 800 to 1000 IU per day, sometimes more. How do you know if you're low in vitamin D? Fatigue, bone pain, or weak muscles, frequent illness, slow healing, these could be signs that your bones aren't getting the support they need. Here's what you can do today. Get some safe sun each week, eat vitamin D-rich foods like salmon and eggs, consider a quality vitamin D3 supplement, pair with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K2 for even stronger bones. Taking action now keeps you active, mobile, and strong, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Strong bones mean a strong life. Don't wait, start adding this key vitamin to your routine today. Subscribe for more healthy aging tips.